trying to get Maggie to go.
She has a leash. She's all hooked up with her harness. I don't think she wants to go. Maggie, do you want to go? Maggie, you want to go for a ride?
Come on, Max, let's go. Come on, wanna go home? Come on, let's go.
Maggie. Maggie, you don't want to go home? Time to leave again.
Maggie, you ready to go home? Come on, Max, let's go. Let's go home. Let's go to New York City. Maggie, you wanna go to New York City? What do you say, Maggie? Come on, let's go. Daytona wants to go. What are you doing, Maggie, man?
Just getting comfortable.
Maggie, what are you doing? Come on, we gotta go home. Maggie, come on, let's go to New York. Come on, buddy. Come on, we gotta go. Let's go. Okay. I win.